you can count from 1 to 100. I hope a little bit. But how do German say the time? I told you it's a little bit tricky and funny. First of all, the question, what time is it, is just really, it's like the motto, die Deutschen spinnen. They are crazy, the German. Wie viel Uhr ist es? So if you translate it literally, it's how much watch is it? To say what's the time? Wie viel Uhr, because Uhr is the watch. Wie viel, how much? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Or you can even hear, wie spät ist es? How late is it? That's a little bit less crazy. Wie spät ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Spät. Uhr. Do you remember how to say what's the time? Just think on the words spät, Uhr. Okay. So when you start with the time you want to say, then you say es ist. It's. And then you can, the easy way is, first you say the hour, es ist 3. Then you say watch, Uhr, and then the minutes, 3:10. You understand? Es ist 3:10. Es ist 6:20. Okay, this is one way. But German, they can also say 6:20. They say 20 nach 6. 20 after 6. That's how you can hear 6:20 or 20 nach 6. If you have passed the half hour, the 30 minutes, you can also say for 6:50, 6:50. You can say 10 minutes to 7. 10 vor 7. Or 20 minutes to 7. 20 vor 7. Which is 6:40. So, we're gonna do an exercise. I will say 1:20 and you have to say it in another way with nach or with vor. Nach is after and vor is before. So nach, if you have 1:20 with nach, you can say it also 20 nach 1. Without Uhr in this case. So you say es ist 20 nach 1. Okay? So, 8:40. Vor. Use the vor. Uhr 10. Use the nach. Uhr 20. Use the nach. 7:40. Use the for. Okay, so now the really most challenging thing with the time in German is 5:30, 4:30. This is a little bit tricky because you have to change your point of view. So if you have in English 4:30, so 4:30, the German, they say 4:30. And if you remember, 5 is 5. So 4:30 is 4:30, 4:30. Yeah, because the 5th hour is gone for the half. So I will give you a trick now. If you think in English 4:30 and you want to translate it into German, just make +1. 4:30, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and then you have 4:30. Always +1. Let's have a look. I will give you 4:30 Uhr. We're gonna exercise this. 4:30 Uhr, which is 4:30, 4:30. But if you hear the 4:30 Uhr, you have to make +1. 4:30. Okay, let's have a look. 9:30 Uhr. Just transform it into halb. 1:30 Uhr. 11:30 Uhr. 'If you think in English, 4:30, you have to add +1. And then you can say 4:30. 3:30. 8:30. So, but when you hear the German saying 8:30 and you want to translate it into English, so you have to go back and you have to say -1. 8:30 in English is -1, 8:30. Let's try it. -1. 1:30. 9:30. 6:30. Yeah. So what about the quarter? We have also the word quarter in German. It's yeah, a quarter is easy because quarter is the fourth part of something. So how do you say 4 in German? End of quarter is Viertel. So you can say Viertel nach 4. So it's a quarter past 4. Oder Viertel vor 4. A quarter to 4. Okay. So last exercise, Viertel, it's important. Halb, or you just start with the hour, like in English. 2:30 Uhr. 2:20 Uhr. Or you can say 20 nach 2. I will show you some time indication and just try to say it in German. Wie alt bist du denn? 20, 40, 44? Okay, regarding the 44, 55, 66, 77, these numbers are called, in German, are called Schnapszahlen. Zahlen is numbers, und Schnaps is, maybe you've heard, Schnaps is a digestive, yeah? Hard alcohol. Why do they call Schnapszahlen? The 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. Because they are so easy. So you can drink a lot of Schnaps and you will remember 22 or 33. Yeah? For that reason we call them Schnapszahlen. So, this was today's lesson regarding the numbers, Zahlen, the time, die Uhrzeit, to count, zählen, just don't distinguish. Zählen with the umlaut is to count, zahlen is to pay, and zahlen with the capital letter is numbers. That's it, that was a long lesson, and yeah. Just try to exercise it, look at your watch regularly, try to say it in German, try to count things, your gold barrels at home. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 20, 33. I don't know, try to use them in your daily life and have fun, have success. Viel Spaß, viel Erfolg. Ich gehe jetzt, denn jetzt ist es 10 nach 11, 11:10 und ich brauche eine Pause.